Today in this video we are going to upgrade the RAM, and the reason for doing that is sometimes the laptop is very slow, so we need to upgrade the RAM. So in this laptop, this is HP laptop right now, we have a 8 GB, so we are going to make it 16 GB with the extra RAM. I have one here, so we're just gonna open the laptop and upgrade the RAM to make it 16 GB. So we'll proceed with the video now. So take out all the nuts. You can take out the nuts outside as well, or just leave it there once you fully untighten it. So now just take out the cover. Just take it out slowly so that you don't break it. So this is the inner part of the laptop with the battery, RAM and hard disk. So we're just gonna add another RAM over here. So we're just gonna open the RAM slot from this cover. So these are the two slots right now, and before doing this one, just take out the battery. So now you can add another RAM. So you can just put over here and it will make a clip sound. So now the RAM is upgraded to the 16 GB, 8 GB and 8 GB. Now you can close the lid. So once closing the lid, put the battery back. And you can close the lid of the laptop. So just press it until it goes down. Now just tight the screw and your laptop will be ready. And your laptop is ready. Now you can open the laptop and the RAM is upgraded to the 16 GB. Finally. I hope you like the video and you know how to upgrade the RAM in the laptop. Thank you for watching the video. I will see you in the video.